Hello foodies, how are you doing? Festival season is right around the corner and we need some unique recipes. This is sweet coconut rice. This is made out of basmati rice, some jaggery and bunch of coconut and beautiful flavors of nutmeg and cardamom. This is a Maharashtrian delicacy which is also called in Marathi as Narali Bhat. Nara is coconut and Bhat means rice. So let's get started with the recipe. So let's see the ingredients for sweet coconut rice, which is also called Narali Bhat in Maharashtra. We need 1 cup of soaked washed rice, 5 to 6 tablespoons of pure ghee, 1 cup of jaggery, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of coconut milk. This is purely optional. This is only gonna enhance the taste. If you do not have coconut milk, you can simply add 2 cups of water. This is almost 1 cup of shredded coconut. This is fresh coconut. For the aromatic flavors, we need a couple of ingredients here. So this is saffron soaked in warm milk just for that beautiful taste and color. Some dry fruits as per your choice. I have taken some raisins and cashew nuts. Again, for flavoring, we need 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and almost half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, pinch of salt and 6 to 7 cloves. So let's get started with the recipe. Let's add 3 tablespoons of pure ghee. Let it melt. Now I'm going to first start with getting the garnishing ready. So add cashew nuts and raisins. If you have not tried this recipe before, I insist you to try. And there is no sugar. We are using jaggery, so it is completely healthy. So as soon as you see the raisins are puffing up and cashews are golden brown, just remove them. And in the same pan, so I have added 6 cloves and 1 small cinnamon stick for that additional flavor. So now it's time to add soaked rice. Mix this. Okay, so now time to add 1 cup of freshly shredded coconut. I have used the frozen pack, but you can definitely freshly grate the coconut if you have it. Mix this well. Pinch of salt. I have taken basmati rice. Any aromatic rice is fine for this dish. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of jaggery. I have just sliced the jaggery. Mix this well. Turn the heat to low and let the jaggery melt. In the meantime, I'm going to get the water warmed up. I need to warm this water for about 40 seconds. So here is my warm water. As you can see, I'm going to add 1 cup of warm water. Why warm water? Because it's just going to minimize your cooking time. So now I'm going to add half a cup of coconut milk in it. So that when the rice cooks, it's gonna give us that beautiful coconut flavor. If you want to add more sweet to this dish, you can add it right now. So let me try. It's perfect. I like it lightly sweet. So for 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of jaggery is the proportion I used. You can adjust it according to your taste buds. So let's bring this to boil, and we will cover it for 15 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, this is already started boiling. The rice is started cooking. So I'm going to cover it for 15 minutes on medium high. Okay, so in and about 15 minutes, let's see how it looks. Look at this. This is completely cooked. I'll show you. The aroma of coconut and jaggery with this basmati rice is out of this world. I can't describe it. You just have to make it home and experience this. So now I'm going to see if the rice is cooked. Okay, so it's 90% cooked. I'm going to add some more coconut milk. For that additional coconut flavor. And let it simmer for about 10 more minutes. In the meantime, let's add the leftover ingredients, which is nutmeg powder and cardamom powder. And of course, this beautiful saffron milk. This is going to enhance the taste as well as the color. Mix this really well. Look at the color. It's already that orange tint in it. Going to keep it covered for another 5 minutes and the rice will be done. So now let's add dry fruits, any of your choice. I'm going to save some of them just to garnish. And as you have noticed, the texture of the rice is little thick. It's not like the biryani pulao texture, but this is more like a khichdi, moong dal khichdi texture. Now my rice is ready. I'm going to add couple teaspoon of ghee on the side just for that additional flavor. Now the festival season is starting, so and we always look for some different recipes instead of just typical gulab jamun, rasmalai sweet dishes. So here is my sweet coconut rice dish. Also, there is special way to serve this rice. Rather, how we serve the rice, I'll show you. So add few drops of ghee in the bowl and spread it out evenly. Grease this small bowl with the ghee and add some cashews and dry fruits. at the base, just like that. And now add the rice on the top. The flavor and the aroma is so amazing. I can't wait to eat this rice. So just press it gently, just like that. All right, now time to flip this in the plate. Okay, I got my serving plate here. Now it is super hot, so gently remove this. All right, so I have to use the kitchen towel. Make sure. Oh, look at this, beautiful. I'm going to add couple of drops. If you'd like ghee, I mean, this is the delicacy you must try. Let's add some ghee on top, and the flavorful sweet coconut rice is here. You go, it's ready for you. So foodies, didn't you see how easy this was? This delicious and tempting Narali Bhat, which is sweet coconut rice, is here, ready here. And I'm sure you love this recipe. If you like this recipe, I'm sure you're gonna try this at home. And the nutmeg and cardamom flavor in the jaggery and coconut mixture, this is amazing. I mean, I have no words to describe how delicious this rice is. I'm sure you're gonna try this home and share with your friends and families. Of course, if you like this recipe, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please try to subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye.